Consequently, experiencing assistive touch not moving can be particularly frustrating. But don't worry, this video will explain the reasons behind the issue with assistive touch and provide solutions to address them. Part 1. Why can't I move assistive touch in iOS 16.17? iOS 16.17's installation error. Error within the device operating system. Temporary software glitches or errors. Low opacity settings for assistive touch functionality. Part 2 to 5 solutions to fix assistive touch not moving in iOS 16.17. Fix 1. Turn off or on assistive touch. Open the Settings app and choose General. Tap on Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch. Turn off the Assistive Touch option at the top, then turn it back on. Fix 2. Reset Assistive Touch option. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General, Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch. Select Customize Top Level menu. Scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on Reset. Fix 3. Fix assistive touch with iOS System Recovery. If trying all methods fails, you can choose Professional iOS System Recovery to solve the problem. iOS System Recovery can repair the iOS 16.17 system on the device and solve all various mobile phone problems caused by iOS 16.17 system failure. Fix 4. Just assistive touch idle opacity. Go to Settings, Accessibility, then go to Touch. Open Assistive Touch and select Idle Opacity. Slide the opacity slider to make the floating button visible. Fix 5. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset all settings from the available options. Enter your password and click Reset all settings to confirm and continue.